Do you or someone you know a cat that is possessed by demons? If so, I believe that I can help. My name is J.C. McClaren, and I'm here to make your cats not possessed by demons no more. That is my word to you. Please dial 1-800-DEMON-CATS. Do you know someone who... You don't know someone. Do you or someone you know a cat that is possessed by demons? That is something. God damn it. I saw myself up there. It's ridiculous. Please, if you or someone you know needs help with that, dial 1-800-CAT-DEMONS. Amen.